And ahead of the big storm, folks all over West Michigan are rushing to the stores to make sure that they're prepared for the next few days. News 8's Taylor Morris live in Grand Rapids after talking with the city's emergency management team on what folks can do to stay prepared. Taylor.
Hey, Brian, we are just outside of Meijer on East Beltline, and I want to show you the view right now. This is what we're looking at Meijer right now. We've been here for about 2 hours, and it's just getting busier by the minute. As you can see, lots of shoppers are stocking up on groceries ahead of this weekend's big storm. I went into the store just a little bit ago, and the line for the self-checkout was wrapped through the entire store. The entire parking lot is just full of cars, and they're just continuing to make their way in. Now, the biggest message the emergency management team with the city of Grand Rapids wants people to know is to be prepared. Now is the time to get those last-minute items in case power goes out and people are stuck at home for long periods of time. Now, it may seem obvious, but making sure you have plenty of food and water. City leaders recommend people stock up with food, specifically non-perishable items that will last them up to 72 hours. Also, blankets, jackets, socks, anything to keep yourself warm if the power does go out. Make sure your devices are fully charged. Your cars are gassed up as well. Now, the Meijer gas station, we also notice, is crazy busy right now as well. Now, lastly, once the storm arrives, the city is urging people to stay home. Don't leave your house unless there's an emergency.
Now is the time for folks to take actions to be prepared. Right now is the time for everyone to take actions to be prepared and be ready. Yes, there may be an opportunity where this storm system doesn't come to fruition, but right now it's looking pretty intense, and we need to take that seriously.
Lastly, make sure to bring your pets inside before the storm hits, and the city also says to check on your neighbors. We will make sure to keep you updated on weather conditions on air and online at woodtv.com. Live in Grand Rapids, Taylor Morris, News 8.